Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and today we got a couple more freebies for you to help finish off your weekend. These two are nice. I'm thinking you guys are going to like these. Now, the name of the first one is called Naviforce 24 Hours, and it's for your Gears 2 and your Gears 3. Not a bad looking watch face at all. It has an analog look with a digital time. Not bad, right? Now, in always on mode, everything is simplified, your date, your digital time, and you get battery life. But when the watch face is on, it has a really nice look for a free watch face, right? I like the way the index look. I like the design on the inside where it gives you your steps and also your digital time, right? It's not bad. And the only interactiveness you got is with your steps, which is important to a lot of people. Get your calories burned, all your step status info in one place. Not a bad look. You're going to get your day and your date at the top, battery down at the bottom. So I'm liking the way the colors blend together to make the whole watch face stand out. But at the end of the day, it's all up to what you think. So hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, let's check out watch face number 2. This one is nice. I think I like this a little bit more than I like one. Now, this one is called Shock 12 Hours. It's for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. This is not a bad looking watch face for everyday dressed down watch face, right? And the developer, I thought, did a really great job. The same developer that created number 1 created number 2 here. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get a basic look, digital time, your date, and you get a funky looking analog look, right? Now, when the watch face is on, simple design, layout of all your information that you would ever need. You get your digital time, your day and your date. You also get a little bar that goes across the watch face, which I'm liking. And you get the 9 and the 3. Now, going around the bezel of the watch, I do like the combination of colors. I like the way the background looks as well. And then you get your step status info down at the bottom. Now, what makes this a downloadable watch face for me is that it gives a little bit more function and information than the other one does. This one, of course, you can go into your steps, get your calories burned. Also, if I tap on the 3, I can get my heart rate information. And on the 9, I can get my battery info. Now, as you can look, you get the best of both worlds because it is an analog and a digital watch face in one. So for free, this is not bad. But you know what? We're going to throw a bonus in. We got one more watch face for you all to check out. So stay tuned. Here it comes. Watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is nice, but yet funky. Funky in a good way, not bad. Now, the name of the watch face is called Lumin Digitalia. I like the name. I love the name. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. Now, this watch face, right, is a big, bold digital watch face that definitely stands out. When you flick your wrist on this one, everybody is definitely going to notice. I like this one. It's a low battery consuming watch face. So I'm telling you, put this one in your lineup. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store by Partridge. And yeah, I'm going to play this one today. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Party with family and friends. But most of all, please be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.